Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last videos, we covered up to pattern number 40. Now we are going to talk about pattern number 41. What is this 41th pattern? Same like previous, but in the place of capital letters, we are going to take small letters. That's all. So what modification we have to do? Whatever we covered in the previous program, same thing will be there. But in the place of row, we have to take, in the place of uppercase alphabet ASCII value, we have to take lowercase alphabet ASCII value. What is a lowercase alphabet ASCII value? 97. So when we are talking about the first column, it will print small a. When we are talking about second column, it will print, so 97 plus 1, which is nothing but 98. Corresponding value is nothing but what? B. Like that it will print. If you want, you can run and you can see. In the place of capital A to capital E, we got a small a to small e. Okay, so just we changed the case. Beyond that, nothing is there. This is nothing but how we can able to generate. So I think you people got a very clear clarity about these type of programs, right? Thank you.